So good morning students. In this video we will solve this question and understand how to solve this question, as this is the question of our sum of series. This is our sum of series question in which we are having the numerator and the denominator. Now suppose it is started with a 1, because this is not containing any fraction, even all the numbers are containing the fraction. Okay, so here I will take divided by 1, that will not reflect to any of our, if we divide anything by 1 it is not reflecting in our result. Okay, so now what we are going to do, first we have to take the value of n from the user. ठीक है, सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना है, वैल्यू ऑफ n फ्रॉम द यूजर वी हैव टू टेक. सो इंपोर्ट java dot rooted dot star class series public static void main. Okay, now what we have to take, we have to take a scanner class. We will create the scanner class object that will help to take our input. Okay, so scanner s equals to new scanner in bracket system dot in. Okay, afterwards we have to take one variable from the user, so we will just give a message to find take the value of n from the user. Okay, so now we are going to take one variable from the user, that is our variable n. Okay, so we are going to now take our variable n from the user. So int, first we will give the message to user system dot out dot println, enter the value of n. ठीक, after that int n equals to sc dot next int. So int n equals to sc dot next int. Now our loop will start from 1, or we can say from 2. Now when we are going with our series question that we are having the fraction, here we have to see either the numerator or the denominator. ठीक है, if we are see the numerator, then it is 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. In this way till n plus 1 it will be there. Okay, and if we are seeing the denominator, it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 to n. So it's up to you which value you want to take, either the numerator or the denominator. Here I am taking the denominator. Why? Because it is starting with 1, and the relation between the numerator and the denominator is, the numerator is having 2, then the denominator is 1. 3 2, that means the difference is 1. Okay, so if we are taking the denominator, then the numerator will be denominator plus 1. Correct? So if we are taking the denominator, so denominator, if it is 1, suppose the denominator is 1, then the numerator is 2, so 1 plus 1 2. And in the same way, if the numerator is 7, okay, if the numerator is, if the denominator is 6, suppose if the denominator is 6, then the numerator is 7. Okay, so in this way we are taking the, so in this way we are taking our value, ठीक है, numerator and the denominator. So let's take one variable double sum equals to 0. And why we had taken the double sum equals to 0.0? Because they are in the fraction. ठीक है, because they are in the fraction. Okay, now our next variable that we have to take is x also, because we are not having the variable x. हमें यहाँ पर x की जगह पे कोई वैल्यू नहीं हमारे पास, so we have to take the value of x also from user. So just give the message system dot out dot println, enter the value of x. So now we have taken the value of x from user int x equals to sc dot next int. And here also we can give the message in one statement also, that system out of println enter the value of n and x. But we have taken the two statement, so it is have no problem now. Now this up to this we have taken the variable x, we have taken the variable n, we have just to initialize our variable sum equals to 0.0, that is used to find the sum of this series. ठीक है. Now our next is to take the loop. Now your loop will start from your value 1. So for int I equals to 1 and I is less than or equals to n. So the till n it will work. Okay. After that, what we are going to do in our numerator and the denominator, just see this part only. In this, you are seeing that we are having the x raised to the power 2. Okay, we are having the x raised to the power 2 and divided by the our variable I, correct? So it is x raised to the power I plus 1 divided by I. So this how we have to write in our Java expression. We have learned the Java expression. So how we will write this as our Java expression? So sum equals to sum plus now x raised to the power I plus 1. For the x raised to the power I plus 1, for the power we are having one math function, that is the power. For the math function we are having one math function is there, that is the power. Have you heard that this one? If it is a raised to the power b, then it will be math dot power a comma b. It is taking the two argument. It is taking the two argument where a is the base and b is the exponent, that is the power. Okay. So here we are having the math dot power a comma b, but in this place your a is x and your b is I plus 1. Okay. And the return type of this function, will be in double. The return type of this function will be in double. Okay, and the sum is also in our double, so there is a no need to change our to do the our type conversion. Yeah, so here there is a no need to perform our type conversion, that is the implicit of the explicit. Okay, so sum equals to sum plus math dot power x raised to the power I plus 1. So x is base comma I plus 1, that is the exponent. Okay, math dot power x raised to the power 5, x raised to the power I plus 1 will come, and this whole is divided with our I. This whole is divided with our I. So it should be sum equals to sum plus in bracket math dot power bracket start x plus x comma I plus 1 bracket close divided by I. Here we will get the sum. Clear? And if you see it is n, so x raised to the power n plus 1 it will come. When your I reaches to 1, when reaches to n, then n will be here I plus 1. Okay? So for is closed here, then system dot out dot println sum of series is equals to plus. Sum of series is equals to plus. In which variable we are holding the sum? In variable sum. So SUM sum. After that your main is closed, then your class is closed. So this is the program for this our series, to find the sum of the series. Sometimes it may be written like this also, x raised to the power 1 or empty, here your 2, x raised to the power 2, here 3, x raised to the power 3, here 4, x raised to the power 4, 5, 6, 7, here n plus 1. So there is nothing we have to do much, because x raised to the power 1 we will say it is x only. So this is x raised to the power I. Now our this loop will work from 1 to n only, ठीक है. But so x raised to the power I divided by I plus 1. So what we have to write? Only in one change we have to do math dot, because there is also one question there. When you had asked me this question, na, so after that this type of question is also written. That's why I'm telling you. So math dot power x raised to the power I divided by I plus 1. Only that much you have to change in your variable sum equals to sum plus, and you will get the sum of the series. Clear? So this is how to create a sum of the series. I think it is done, or we can take the example also, but it is clear, na? Index equals to, and if you are having any doubt, you are free to ask. Okay? Take care. Thank you.